Top 6 Best Welding Machine 2022. Pick the best. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, we'll discuss the top 6 Best Welding Machine 2022. Pick the best. All the product links are given in the description video below. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. TOOLIOM. Firstly, TOOLIOM might not be the most recognizable name in the industry. Still, its 200 amp MIG welder is a pretty decent unit. Its cost is not too shabby either, considering its features. In terms of power, this unit does not disappoint with a power output of 200 amps. With this output, it can comfortably handle welding 5 32-inch steel plates. Also, it can be powered by a standard 110 volt power input. One of the best things about this unit is its multi-function capabilities. It can handle both TIG and MIG welding. In regards to MIG welding, it is capable of both flux-core and gas MIG welding. And while no lift TIG torch is included, it is understandable given its price. Inside, the unit has automatic thermal overload protection, protecting it from current overloads. Also, inside the unit is a heavy-duty cooling fan that handles heat dissipation excellently. YESWELDER Digital MIG 205DS. The welder was packed very well with heavy packing foam material on the front and rear with all the cables to protect the sides of the machine. The stated weight of the machine is 33 pounds on the internet and in the manual. I can only assume that was the packing weight. I weighed the machine only 22 pounds or 10 kilograms. The metal door of the welder is a light gauge, but you can't keep the weight down and have thick steel used everywhere. The different menus and buttons are easy to work out, so if you're learning to weld, can use the YESWELDER with no problem. The LED display is a great help for getting the information at a glance. I recommend writing down your favorite settings for the different materials you are using. This makes it easier for the next time. The controls of the machine are tucked behind a hinged clear panel. This will keep the display from dust that builds up or sparks, but you can still see it. All of the controls feel really nice. The adjustment dial has a tactile feel as you turn it for fine adjustments. At the back of the MIG are the gas inlet, MIG, and the fan and power switch. The red light indicates it is on. Nice to have if you are around the other side of the workbench to see if you are ready to weld. S7 TIG. The S7 and its accessories are relatively affordable compared to other AC/DC TIG welders. On top of TIG welding, it's capable of stick welding. This AC/DC TIG welder is easy to tote to work sites and ladders. The set comes with a TIG torch gun, clamp, and electrode holder. All useful inclusions for newer welders. High frequency start TIG non-contact arc initiation that reduces tungsten and material consumption. Rated input frequency 50/60 Hz, duty cycle 85%, and the performance of the welding machine is improved. TIG welding thickness 0.3 to 4.8 millimeters. Hobart 500-570 Stickmate 160i. The Hobart 160i is one of the Hobart stick welders that produces the most excellent welds. It is a 160 amp DC welder that can run on dual voltage input of 120 or 240 volts. This welding unit has the highest quality, as expected from Hobart welding machines. It is exceptionally lightweight, with a weight of 15 pounds. It is also highly compact, with dimensions of 3.4 by 7.1 by 10.5 inches. Forney Easy Weld 261. The dimensions of this compact device is 16.75 inches by 8.125 inches by 12 inches, and the weight is 19 pounds, allowing the product easy portability. Also, it takes very little storage space while working or idle. This machine can handle core flux welding with infinite voltage and wire feed speed features. The input voltage is 120 volts, and the output amperage is up to 140 amp with a duty cycle of 30% at 140 amp. Super Deal Pro. This compact 110-volt MIG welder is easy to use, has precise controls, and has an auto-off overheat protection feature. Despite its bargain price, it comes very well equipped with accessories including a starter reel of flux-core wire, 2 extra tips, and a brush/chipping hammer. It also comes with a safety mask. Since it's so portable, this MIG welder is easy to take with you to the shop or studio. It works on regular household current and offers high and low amperage settings. It has 10 wire feed speed settings for precise feed control. It is every bit as handy as the best pipe wrench. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.